as a K1 caller, let's go play some CSR racing. I'm so excited. Because I'm getting a better I'm getting a bigger reader card so I can do bigger videos like so yeah. Did that turn off? No, full screen stayed on. Ew, what is it? I don't even know why I bought. Oh. Next upgrade free. Ooh. I'm happy I got this. Oh, that would have cost me a fortune. Yeah, NOS is maxed out. Oh, 5 NOS. What is it? Yeah, I'm not doing that crap. No. I'm going back to tier 2. Yeah! Yeah. Gonna go right. Yeah. Batman. Did you select car? Oh yeah, that's for World Tour. And I am not doing World Tour. Need pro car. Oh yeah. If you want to be my lover, you have got to get. Should I go high or low? No, I'm gonna do this Jaguar. This is gonna be a piece of cake for this Nissan. Grab the wall. I just let it sit there. That was hilarious.
Become a chef and discover restaurants and recipes from all over the world. Mix and match hundreds of tasty ingredients to cook delicious meals. Put on your chef hat and play Tasty Tale now for free on Facebook or download it in the app stores.
No, thank you. Ooh, that lady saved me. Get up, grab the wall, wiggle, wiggle like it. 3, 3. Grab the wall, wiggle, wiggle, and fall off. Most people hack in their points, but it's okay. Oh, gas pedal is stuck in my head. The visualize. They won't fall off. Oh, that song is stuck in my head, guys. Yeah. I hope I get more parts from that car. Cause that'd be nice. That'd be really nice. I know how to beat him. That's easy. Where's that nice lady when you need her? Yes, lady, I would like to watch one of your ads. Zombies. Walking Dead? Maybe sometime. My favorite Resident Evil, I'm just gonna say this now. My personal favorite Resident Evil is... That's kind of hard. My personal favorite Resident Evil is the one with the big giant monster. That one was pretty good. And they have that big, ginormous tank thing. Yeah, that was a good one. How can I forget it? It's a 16-0x16. And I'm talking about the movies, not the games. They were to fall off. I'm gonna save that guy we always got stuck on for last. I should get him in race 3. Just grab him. Yeah, I'll get him in race 3. Cause this guy got pro up from even the oldest a little. This engine upgrade. Lady, thank you, thank you. That race team member. Yeah. Yo, guys. Technically, I've got help from a race team member before. Woo! We've only done 3, so I'll go for you. Dang it, can't get a race team member. Oh, I've beat cars like this before. Pretty easy. Especially if they're low level. Oh, oh, oh! Okay. Who am I gonna race? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video until I make up my mind. Okay, I picked that girl. So, go back out. Got a race team member. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh, that makes me go like billions of miles fast. Okay, I'll be back when I get to pick all my things. I'll be right back. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna have to end it early, but this Keith McCauley sign. Wait. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end it early, but this Keith McCauley signing off. Bye, guys.